Now there are various methods of charging depreciation and they're all correct. Now a business or an accountant has to choose which method it needs to follow. But remember, there are certain deciding factors. So basic factors that decide which method of depreciation should be used are nature of assets, then nature of use of assets. What is the nature of the assets that we have? For what purpose those assets are being used? And what are the conditions in the business? Conditions in the industry. Now these three factors basically decide which kind of method should be used. But we must remember one thing, that once we select a particular method, then principle of consistency says that a method once selected should be used or not changed very often, regularly. That is, once you have selected a method, it should be used over a number of periods. There should be no reason for you to change. It does not mean that you cannot change. If you want to change from method A to method B, then you must highlight why have you decided to change it, why method B is better over method A, and you must discuss its financial implications also. So now students, in our course we have two methods of charging depreciation.